Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now this is a very quick video regarding two important developments in the NEET and JEE postponement case. First of all, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, has sent a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister to consider the grievances of the students regarding the postponement, and she has clearly written, let me bring to your notice this very important thing that she has written. Now in continuation of that earlier letter, the earlier letter was regarding the UGC guidelines to conduct the exams within the 30th of September. So she wrote a letter regarding that as well, that she was against it, and now she has written, now in continuation of that earlier letter, I would like to mention that the Education Ministry of Government of India has since issued a further directive to conduct NEET and JEE examinations in September 2020, which is again a gravely risky decision. We are proud of our students. They are talented in these areas. On one hand, COVID-19 pandemic is going on and the students community, on the other hand, is presently suffering a lot from mental agony and depression. The students are the assets of our country and the future of the world. I would therefore appeal to you to kindly get the enormous health risk involved in such steps assessed. The central government must not take a decision for which the students feel upset, and also ensure that students are not deprived of the opportunity to take examination. I am sure that you will appreciate the point and postpone these examinations until the situation is conducive again. So she has said that until the situation is conducive again, the examination should be postponed. Also, Aditya Thackeray of Maharashtra, he has also written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and he has clearly mentioned that the exam should be postponed. And not only that, let me bring to you this very important paragraph into your notice, that, sir, I humbly request you to intervene and postpone all academic activity to do with physical or online examinations across the country for all the professional courses, including entrance exams. For all the non-professional courses, most of their academic assessment has been carried out and the final examination wouldn't amount to more than 10% of assessment. Hence, they may be passed on a marking system devised by the universities. So he is trying to tell the government to postpone the entrance exams and also for the final semester exams that actually don't hold too much of the marks for the entire course. So he is asking him to allow a special device marking, that is a device specially by the university, so that there is no academic loss of a year. Okay, so we may also think of starting our new academic year from January 2021. So he is and he is also thinking about starting the new academic year from January 2021. So these two letters have been sent to our Honorable Prime Minister. Also, Dr. Swamiji is already fighting in this case. So we are very hopeful. The news is around that we can get a good news by tomorrow. So students, please stay focused and let's hope for the best news. Okay, thank you. Bye. This was a quick update and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.